Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Minecraft connection lost, internal exception, Java IO10 exception, and existing connection was forcibly closed by the remote host. Let's fix it guys. You just need to go to search menu and type view network connection. Click on open it. Right click on the internet you are using it and select properties. Select internet protocol version 4 and select properties. In here you just need to select use the following DNS server addresses and type here 8888. In alternative DNS server type 8844. Click on OK to save changes. Select close. Just close stuff here. In the second step you just need to go to search menu and type Windows Defender firewall with advanced security. Click on open it. Select inbound rules. On right side select new rule. Select port and select next. Select UDP. Now you just need to check my video description for this UDP code. Just copy and paste it. After pasting it, select next. Select allow the connection and select next. Next. Type here Minecraft. After that select finish. And now close it up here. The third step you just need to go to search menu and type CMD. Right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator and select yes. Now you just need to check my video description for these commands used in my video. Just copy and paste it one by one. After finishing these both commands, you just need to close tab here. The fourth step you just need to go to search menu and type network reset. Click on open it. Select the reset now option and select yes. After resetting it, you just need to close stuff here and go ahead and restart your PC guys. After restarting your PC, you can check if the problem solved or not. I hope this solution fixed your problem guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.